I like going to Paradise Nature Park because you get to see lots of cool animals. I went with my mom, my dad, my brother, and my cousin. We followed the arrows and saw the tortoises and goats and colorful noisy birds. We went to a special talk with a lady called Karen. She taught us about snakes and Madagascar hissing cockroaches. We got to meet a ball python called Kingpin. He was kind of slippy and scaly. The flamingos are funny because they stand on one leg. We took a break and got to have ice cream before lunch as a special treat. We also saw lots of farm animals like pigs and donkeys. There was a goat that wanted to eat my mom's phone.